Hi, my name is Ishka Bilhekar, and I'm in third year of BTech ARML. For our success story, we have chosen product recommendation. PR system is a technology that suggests items such as products, services, or content to users based on their preferences, behavior, and data. For example, Amazon suggests products to buy, Netflix recommends movies or shows. PR falls under the category of AI driven personalization. It also consists of machine learning, which finds patterns in user behavior, such as purchases, clicks, ratings, and predicts what the user will want next. The techniques used in PR mainly consist of machine learning. Okay, the first one is collaborative technology. So the techniques used in product recommendation are collaborative technique filtering. Recommends products based on similarities between users or items without needing detailed product features. For example, people who are similar to you also liked this. There are two types of collaborative filtering technique. The first one is user-based collaborative filtering, which means that it finds users with similar behavior or preferences. For example, if user A and user B both like the new MacBook Pro series and user A also liked mouse, then recommend mouse to user B. The second type is item-based collaborative filtering. It finds items that are often liked together. Example, customers who bought this laptop also bought a mouse and laptop bag. It looks into the relationship between items. The second type of technique is content-based filtering. Recommends products based on the features of items and the user's profile and preferences. For example, because you like this, here's something similar. Each product is described by attributes or features. For example, movie, genre, actors, directors, keywords. The system builds a user profile based on their past choices, matches new items with this profile. The third type is hybrid. It combines collaborative filtering and content based filtering for more accurate and flexible recommendations. Use the strengths of both methods and reduce weaknesses.
Hi everyone, I'm Shivani, and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how AI product recommendation system actually works, because honestly, it's not magic, it's just very clever math. Step 1, user action. You search for something, click a product, or even may end up buying it. That's where the story begins. Step 2, data collection. Every click, every search, every purchase is stored. Don't worry, not your secrets, just your shopping habits. Step 3, data processing. Now the system cleans it all, removes errors, organizes detail, extract features. Think of it like a librarian making sense of a messy pile of books. Step 4, recommendation engine. This is the brain. And it works in three ways: collaborative filtering. People you like also like this. Content based filtering. You liked one product, here's something similar to it. And C, hybrid, a mix of both. Step 5, scoring and ranking. Not all products are equal, so the system assigns scores: relevance, popularity, and availability. Only the best rise to the top. Step 6, display recommendations. You see, you may also like, or customers also bought, and something you think, wow, this system knows me better than my boyfriend. Step 7, feedback loops. Did you check it, buy it, or ignore it? The system learns. Every single action makes it smarter the next time.
See, here's the thing: you can build the most beautiful algorithm in the world, but if it does not work in the real world, then it's just a math. Testing is what turns theory into trust. So, let me show you how we test the AI recommendations. When it is about testing, we first test in the lab. What we do is we take all our user product data, we split it into 80% for training and 20% for testing. You might think, why we do so? Because we want the AI to learn from the past, then prove it that it can predict the future. We measure how close its predictions are to reality. If the AI predicted a rating of 4.3 but the actual rating was 4, then it's pretty good. If it predicted 5 but the user hated it and gave a 1, then it's a failure. The metric we often use is RMSE, which stands for root mean square error. Think of it as the AI's report card. The lower the RMSE, the better the AI is at guessing what you love. But offline testing isn't enough because life is messy, users are unpredictable, and the real world does not behave like a data set. So, we test online in real time. This is called as A/B test. Half of the users see the old system, that's group A. The other half see the new AI recommendations, that's group B. Then we ask, do users in group B more so then we ask the users from group B that whether they click more, do they spend more time on the platform, do they buy more, are they happier? And this isn't just about accuracy, this is more about impact because an algorithm that's 2% more accurate offline might generate millions of dollars more revenue online. That's the power of testing. In the end, testing isn't just about numbers, it's about trust. We test so that when AI says this is the next thing you will love, we can believe it. Without testing, AI is just guessing, and with testing, it feels like magic. Thank you.
Hey, now let's answer the big question. How do we actually build this? It may sound complex, but the process is pretty simple. First, we gather the signals. We start with data. Every time user clicks on a product, search for something, or leaves a review, that's a signal. Think of like a breadcrumbs. Each user leaves behind a trail of breadcrumbs, and inside those trails lies a story what they loved, what they ignored, and what they want next. Further, teach the AI. Next, we take those breadcrumbs and we feed them to the AI. This is where the magic happens. The AI studies millions of patterns. It noticed people who bought the phone also loved those headphones. Users who liked action movies also enjoyed thrills. Slowly, it began to connect the dots. It's like training a shopkeeper who has observed thousands of customers until he just knows what you will ask next. Predicting the future. Once AI has learned this pattern, it's ready to make the prediction. You open a shopping app and AI thinks last week you bought a camera, so today you will probably want a lens or a tripod. And in second, your screen shows you not just random products, but a right product. The one that makes sense. The one that feels actually handpicked. Improve with every click. Here's the best part, the AI doesn't stop. Every single time you interact, whether you buy, skip, or search, it learns a little more. It evolves, it adapts, and tomorrow it will be the better than today. This is what AI recommendation feels so personal, so alive. They are not static, they grow with you. So, in the end, implementation is not just about math, it's about transforming raw data into human delight. It's about taking billion clicks, turning them into one perfect suggestion at right moment for a right person. That's not just a technology, that's magic.